still young, just a girl having fun. Sorry for the misunderstanding, John. Woman, just a forward, man, not ready for second down. Oh no, me need my funds, yeah. Road off run, work for my one, so me don't need no one. Still no waste, man, can't get none. Me stand up.
Hello lovelies and welcome back to my channel. It's Lovely and Jay here, back at it again with another video. This was a highly requested one. I typically don't do any hair tutorials on my YouTube channel, but a lot of you really wanted to see how I achieve my famous buns. You know, I'm a bun kind of girl. All my friends know this. I love me a nice sleek bun. I don't know, I just feel like it just really like snatches up the face and like shows off your features. So it's really simple, and this hairstyle is what my go-to hairstyle, especially when like I have somewhere to go and my hair is not like freshly washed, or I don't got my wig in or braids or whatever. So I always opt for a bun. It's easy, it's chic, it's elegant, and it's pretty. Like, you know, look at this. It's really nice, real pretty. Got the baby hairs on fleek. You feel me? It's nice and sleek, and again, it's really easy. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Let me know if you would like me to do, if you'd like to see more like hair tutorials on my page. I can definitely do that as well. Yeah, so don't forget to comment, like, share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure that you turn your notification bell button on so you're the first one to know when I post. We're going to achieve this look on semi-stretched hair. As you can tell, my hair is slightly stretched from me having a silk press a couple of weeks ago. A wide tooth comb, spray bottle with a little bit of water in it, Eco Styler gel, raggedy brush that's all I have, okay? Please don't judge me. Some rubber bands, a toothbrush strictly for your edges. We do not use toothbrush, we brush your teeth for our edges. That's nasty, okay? And bundles. And I'm just going to comb all my hair coming forward, just detangling and making sure there's no knots so that my ponytail is as sleek as possible. Spray the edges just a little bit. And then I'm going to apply some Eco Styler gel just to the perimeter of my hair. I'm going to use my brush just to evenly distribute the product, which is the Eco Styler, and also smooth out my hair so my ponytail can be as sleek as possible. And as you can see, I'm brushing my hair forward because I'm very obnoxious, so my buns and ponytails are always super high, and that's why I like it. It's totally optional, it's up to you. And I'm going to go ahead and put it into a nice ponytail. Next step, we're going to add our bundle. I'm using Brazilian body wave hair. I suggest you use whatever bundles that you have that's closer to your hair texture, and we're going to wrap it around. As you can see, I'm not using any bobby pins for this look, so I just sectioned off a little piece of the bundle and I wrapped it tightly around my ponytail, and we're just going to hope for the best, and we're just going to wrap it around. So wrapping all the way around like so, and then again when I get to the end of the ponytail, I'm separating, taking a little piece, and I'm just going to use that to secure the ponytail. We in the house, we're not going nowhere. Your ponytail don't have to be super duper secure. So but honestly though, like, I don't need to use bobby pins for this look because of the way that I wrap it. I make sure it's tight enough, and this should be your final look. Once you wrap the hair, I'm brushing everything together so that the bundle covers my natural hair, and then we're just going to wrap the hair onto itself. Again, no bobby pins is necessary. You're wrapping tightly and forming as you wrap into the desired look that you want. And as you get closer to the end, again, you're going to wrap tightly and tuck the hair onto itself. Nobody got time for bobby pins and scabs and headaches. So this is how I achieve my buns, like so. And as you can see, I don't know why, but every time I do my bun, it's always crooked. So I'm going to be maneuvering it around to make sure it's as straight as possible. And I'm using my clean toothbrush just for my edges to brush them babies out. And next step we're going to do, we're just going to layer edges. I'm using a little bit of Eco Styler gel, like so, and we're just gonna go on and swoop, 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 and make sure everything is laid. And as we're slicking down our edges, now is also the time to smooth out any flyaways that we may have. I don't worry about that too much because I always tie my edges down with a silk scarf just to kind of set it, and that definitely helps with the frizz. And yeah, so we're just gonna keep swooping our baby hairs, and then I'm going to use a silk scarf
This beautiful scarf was provided by my friend Malaysia. Thank you very much. And we're just gonna set everything and I'll be back with the completed look. And this is the completed look, you guys. I love this bun so much. It's very classy, sophisticated. This bun gives me kept woman, going out to brunch with the girls with my husband's credit card. It says, I'm here, I have arrived, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I will see you in my next one. Bye.